I have seen a lot of cooking hacks, but these viral ones are on another level. Hello, good people. Jessie is my name, and on this channel, we are all about simplifying your lifestyle. Our first hack is slicing onions. When you use this gadget, number one, you protect your nails or your fingers, and you also don't get to cry. This gadget looks like a comb, but it's not. It's specifically made for this work. Try it and you will thank me later. You can see it will cut your onions. It will cut your bell peppers into equal sizes. It will also cut your tomatoes. Let me tell you, this was my best discovery so far when it comes to slicing gadgets. Leave a comment down below with what you think about this gadget. From the viral TikTok, people call it a comb. What do you think it is called? I actually don't know the name. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. We're going to share these hacks as we prepare green grams for dinner. The next hack is on use of the chopping board. As most people think, this hole here is not for hanging, but it's for dispensing in a better way without spilling. Okay, so we go to our next hack. This is going to be a hack about how to peel garlic. The best way to do it is you place your garlic on the surface and you heat it with using your knife. Of course, the side of the knife, like just like that, and then you peel it. It's easier than cutting it with the knife. Once I'm peeling it with the knife because of my nails, but if you don't have nails, it's very easy to do it that way. The next thing for the garlic is also a hack. If you want to make your life easy, you don't want to injure your nails or your fingers, you use this grater, which is specifically made for garlic, and it makes your work very easy and it does an amazing job. Look at the output. Very fine and very well done. Comment down below if you have ever tried to grate garlic in an ordinary grater and what happened. The next hack is when you're cooking pre-boiled food, the best way is to season before. Ensure everything is cooked and ready by the time you're adding the pre-boiled ingredient. Otherwise, you're going to overcook the ingredient and that will actually end up giving you mashed food. For the next hack, for the tomatoes, you add them, you cover them to cook under steam. Our next hack is peeling of carrots. I have this gadget which makes my work easy. If you use the knife, you can easily hurt yourself, and also you peel thick skin, and this one makes it very light. Comment down below with whether you know how to use that gadget. I struggled before I learned how to use it. After some time, our tomatoes are cooked. You just crush them a bit until they're well mixed. You don't want to taste the peelings of the tomatoes as you enjoy your meal. And of course, once everything is evenly mixed, you add your main ingredient. In our case, is green grams. If you're still watching this video, it means our content may interest you, and I would request that you kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new upload. Our next hack is grating the carrots. Many a times you break your nails, you get an injury as you grate your carrots. This time I decided to try this gadget and see if it works for grating. I must say this one did not work. Some struggles we go through to try the hacks for you. For that case, kindly like the video, and if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Anyway, that gadget was not the reason I decided to do this hack. For this hack, don't try to use that gadget. It ended up giving me messy things. You use a fork and you slice the carrot into two so that it's not too heavy. The fork should be strong enough because when you're grating, it needs some energy there so that it doesn't fold. If you have a weak fork, it's going to fold. For the small parts, don't strain yourself struggling to ensure that they are grated. Those are for you to eat. Comment down below if that's what you do. Which is your favorite hack so far? I think for all of them, I don't have a favorite. I find myself loving each and every hack I discover because it makes my work easy in the kitchen. As you all know, I love cooking and I also love discovering new ways of making my life easy. And of course, once I discover, I like sharing so that you can also try it out. Let me know the one you have tried from previous videos or the one you're going to try from this video. We also love feedback. As we continue with the grating, I would love to know what other videos you would like to watch on this channel or any other video that you have liked from our previous video. Let me know what interests you so that I can create content that you will love and that you will enjoy. For the 1,663 of you, thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. We don't take it for granted. And we are still on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and we will appreciate your support. If you can share these hacks with your friends and family, more people might consider joining the family, and we get to 10,000 sooner. We would also want to learn from you. So if you have any other hacks, please let us know. You can tag us on our social media pages. We have TikTok, we have Instagram, and of course, follow us there also. So after some time, make sure you mix your ingredients well on the pot and avoid using too much force. Otherwise, they are going to mash. The last hack, if you use this grater, it leaves your space neater. My space is messed up because of what was happening as I was trying to reinvent the hack. The other thing you can see when you pour from the side, it gives you some messy residue. But if you pour from the hole that is created for that purpose, you are good to go. For the carrots and the bell peppers, I use them for glazing because you don't actually have to cook them. You can eat them raw. So they come in handy for glazing for me. Yes. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you.